guys, so today I have a healthy morning routine, and these are things I like to incorporate into my morning routine. I get up fairly early. Sometimes I get up 6:30. I aim to get up at 7 every day. Sometimes my husband goes to work earlier and I'll get up, and I feel like this routine really works well for me. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing, of course, is waking up. That's the first thing I do in the morning. I like to wake up and let my dog Stevie out first thing. And I just let him out on the patio. While he's doing stuff outside, I like to make the bed, and I'll just tidy up the bedroom a little bit. On this particular day, Kyle, my husband, is already at work. Once I'm done tidying up the bedroom, I like to let Stevie back in and I'll give him some dog food. And then I'll move over to the coffee maker because I need some coffee right away in the morning. I also have a glass of water. But I love these little mugs. I think these are pretty cute.
The coffee I'm drinking is from Scotty P's Big Mug Coffee. You might recognize his name from Gilmore Girls. He played Luke. And lately I've been really enjoying using my glass infuser bottle, and this is from Dragon Glassware. I love the flip-up lid and also the cool, cute little case that it comes in. It's just a nice protective sleeve. And this really is the ultimate travel companion. You could use loose tea leaves, also hot or cold brew coffees, fruit-infused waters. That's what I like to use it for lately. And it also insulates and keeps drinks hot or cold for hours. So I'm just gonna add some strawberries and also some blueberries. Sometimes I like to use some lemon wedges and also some rosemary, but today I just have some fruit-infused water, and I love this. And the coffee mugs I'm using are also from Dragon Glassware.
So also with my coffee and water, I'll also go ahead and make breakfast. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen my yogurt parfaits like several mornings in a row. A yogurt parfait has been my go-to breakfast. I also like to make other breakfasts as well, but on this day I'm going just with a couple spoonfuls of yogurt, just plain yogurt. Then I add some fruit. I have some strawberries, a banana. Actually, I'm using half a banana, 2 strawberries, and then just a few blueberries on top. And then I like to add some granola and just a sprinkle of chia seeds, and this is such a great breakfast. So while I'm actually making my breakfast and starting the coffee, I like to listen to a couple podcasts. I love listening to Up First. It's from NPR. And I also have a podcast if you haven't checked it out yet. I actually have 2. One's a short story podcast of short stories I've just been writing, and then also my chatty podcast, which has taken place of my vlog channel. I don't do daily vlogs anymore, but I've been doing weekly podcast episodes where I'm just filling you guys in on my life and also doing a lot of like health and self-care tips. So while I have my breakfast, I also like to read, and I like to read a couple books at the same time. I'll also read the paper. So a couple books that I've read this morning, or am reading. One is from Steven Pinker, and he's a Harvard professor. He teaches psychology. His book is called How the Mind Works, and I find it fascinating. I've just started it, and I'm also reading this month's book club pick, Hunger, from Roxane Gay. So if you're not following my book club already, it's called Fantastic Books and Where to Find Them. I'll put the links down below. But yeah, that's February's book. What I like to do after I read and have my breakfast is meditate. So the meditation app I'm currently using, I like doing their self-guided meditations. I like using Calm, and I'm actually considering getting the subscription to Headspace because I love that app so much. But I really like those 2 meditation apps. I love meditating in the morning because I feel like it's the perfect way to start your day. It just brings your mind back to just being calm. I actually feel very, very relaxed after I do a meditation, and during our meditation, my body just starts to feel like jello. Like, you just feel so relaxed. Alright, so after meditating, I will go ahead and study Spanish and French. I like using Duolingo, and I also have a couple other tools that I like to use to learn these languages. After that, I like to clean up the apartment even more, so I'll just go ahead and do the dishes. There's usually not very many dishes because I like to do the dishes the previous night and then also again in the morning, so there's usually not very many dishes in the sink. We don't have a dishwasher either, so that totally sucks. But you get used to it, and you do the, I mean, we haven't had a dishwasher in forever. My husband and I have never had a dishwasher together, and we've been married for 7 years. Wow. Everywhere we move, there's just not a dishwasher. So yeah, we've gotten used to just doing the dishes like daily. I like having a clean space. And after cleaning, I'll go ahead and do a workout. Lately, I've been doing some workouts from the Tone It Up channel. The Tone It Up girls are awesome. Karina and Katrina, I love them. Also Blogilates. I love Cassie Ho's workouts. I love Jillian Michaels. I do a lot of Jillian Michaels workouts. Today I'm actually doing the 6-week 6-pack level 1. It's brutal, it'll kill you, but you'll feel awesome. You'll feel awesome and you'll be dead. But I just really love a challenging workout, and I also love to do Tabatas. So if you haven't checked out my workouts, definitely check them out. I'll put a little playlist down below in the description bar. So of course, after my workout, I'll go ahead and grab a shower, and that's my morning routine. I know there's kind of a lot going on. On mornings when I'm waking up at either like 5:30 or 6 or something, I have more time to do all these things, and sometimes I'll read even longer. Sometimes I'll read for like an hour and a half, but I like to get started with my workday around 10. Like 10 at the latest. I like to start like putting up my lights and filming or editing videos or recording podcast episodes, putting together a blog post, all the stuff that I do. I like to start, you know, like around 9 or 10, so it just depends when I get up in the morning. I have more time to do my stuff. And if you guys want to see me get ready after a shower, after I've done a workout, I just uploaded a video recently, pretty recently, like a week ago, and I'll put that right here. I'll also put it down below in the description bar, but if you want to watch the sequel to this video, basically, you can get ready with me. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I wanted to keep this pretty chill. I have some coffee in front of me. I love coffee, especially this coffee because it's Scotty P's coffee. I'm just thrilled because Kyle and I just got this coffee in and we really like it. It tastes like a diner coffee and it's a little bit stronger. We got the French coffee and we also have decaf because I like to drink some coffee at night sometimes. At least it makes me want to drink coffee every time I watch that show. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day and I'll talk to you very soon. Alright, bye!